Hi everyone, Label Maker Battle. In this video, we are comparing the Dymo LetraTag 200B and the Brother P Touch Cube, two compact Bluetooth enabled label makers. Which one is best choice for you? Let's find out. General features, design and portability. Dymo LetraTag 200B compact and lightweight easily fits into a bag for portability. Brother P Touch Cube modern design portable for home and office use. Printing technology in Dymo LetraTag 200B thermal printing no ink or toner required. In Brother P Touch Cube thermal printing no ink or toner needed. Label type of Dymo LetraTag 200B compatible with LetraTag labels available in paper, plastic, and metallic variants. Brother P Touch Cube compatible with Brother P Touch TZE laminated label tapes up to 12 approximately 1 by 2 wide, available in various colors and types. Included accessories. Dymo LetraTag 200B includes one black or white paper type and a quick start guide. Brother P Touch Cube include AC adapter and one 0.47 12 into 13.1 4 black on white starter laminated label tape. Label customization options. Font. Access to various font size through the LetraTag Contact app. Brother P Touch Cube utilizes most Google and Apple font libraries via the P Touch Design and Print to app. Symbols and icon. Over 100 fonts available for label customization in Dymo LetraTag 200B. Over 1000 plus symbols for diverse labeling needs in Brother P Touch Cube. Frame and template of Dymo LetraTag 200B 15 box styles to frame text includes 8 pre-saved template for quick labeling creation. Brother P Touch Cube provide 140 plus frames and a wide selection of pre-designed home and home office label templates. Text formatting, Dymo LetraTag 200B option to underline, create multiple line of text and insert dates. Brother P Touch Cube support bold, italic, vertical printing and up to 2 line of text per label. Power and connectivity feature power sources require for AA battery not included in Dymo LetraTag 200B. Brother P Touch Cube include AC adapter also compatible with 6 AAA batteries not included. Connectivity connects via Bluetooth to iOS and Android devices using the LetraTag Connect app. Connect via Bluetooth to Apple and Android device using the P Touch Design Print to app. App feature the LetraTag Connect app offers an intuitive interface for label creation including access to various fonts, icons, and templates. The P-Touch Design and Print to app provide a wide selection of templates, symbols, frame, and fonts, leveraging smartphone feature like spell check and voice to text. Conclusion. Both the Dymo LetraTag 200B and the Brother P-Touch Cube offer portable Bluetooth enabled labeling solutions with user-friendly app for customization. The choice between the two depends on specific preferences. Dymo LetraTag B200 ideal for users seeking a lightweight device with straightforward labeling options and a variety of label material. Brother P Touch Cube suitable for those who desire extensive customization features, a broader selection of symbols and frames, and the flexibility of using an AC adapter or batteries.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.